Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my first scheduled upload. I am very excited about this and I cannot wait to get through it all. But before we do, I just want to say that I will be uploading a top-down analysis video every single day, and each new day we will be doing a new pair. And since I cannot do all the thinking around here, I would like for you to let me know in the comment section which pair you would like for us to look at next. Today we will be looking at Euro USD and analyze it from the higher time frames all the way down to the lower time frames. Now, jumping straight in, we will see that on the monthly time frame, Euro USD is quite at a very interesting level because previously these lows were created at a very similar level and price rejected from it once already. So let me just identify this area for you so that you can understand what I'm talking about. And right off the bat, we can see that this is somewhat of a valid area, as when price made this first appearance here, when price made this first low here and came to it again, it made a false breakout, and this is a very clear signal that momentum to the downside is running out, and price gapped to the outside, so price got overextended over here. Price traded above it again, so the support played its role quite well. The second time, or third time rather, that price came here, price made another fake breakout and then moved to the upside as well. Now in these fake breakouts, right, this is where a whole lot of traders get caught up. This past week I got caught up in a whole lot of fake breakouts as well, and the market seems very, I wouldn't say unstable, but untradable for me. So I decided, okay, or not I decided, this happened right around the same time that I decided, okay, I'm going to take a break from forex, because just as much as you have to trade, you also have to take a step back and look back at your progress. You have to look at what you've been doing, the mistakes, the wins. Obviously the wins is there, it's in your face, but more so the mistakes, so that when the new year comes, you do not make the same mistakes as you did this whole year. So this is just why I'm taking this time out. I rested from the 15th, the 16th. I rested yesterday, took a nice rest yesterday as well, and now I just want to get to, working through my progress, seeing where I made mistakes and seeing how I can either avoid it, and if it's not avoidable, or if it's more than avoidable, where I can fix it, right? So if I cannot fix it, then I must just totally avoid it, right? So back to the charts, where we are right now, price seems to be approaching this resistance level, and I call it a resistance level because price is trading below that level, right? And I'm just gonna move to the day. Wait, before we go to the weekly time frame, sorry, I just wanted to highlight the support level as well. Now, with me highlighting zones, you guys are seeing me take the close or the open of the candle. Sometimes it would be the open, and take the wick into consideration as well. Now the reason why I do this is because if I only take the wick, then I only have the bias of the wick, but if I take the body as well, then I have the bias of the body and the wick. Now I'm not violating the body, because if I had to switch to the line chart, you will see that my line just touches the edge of the body. Let me just fix up this one. So as you can see, price is within a, I wouldn't say consolidation zone, but price has been moving in this level and it hasn't broken out yet. So I'm gonna switch to the weekly time frame now, just so that I can get a clearer view about what is going on. And once I have come here, I will see something really interesting. Number one, price haven't reached that level yet, and then number two, when price broke out of this high, when it moved past this high, it actually didn't come back to retest this level, right? So seeing that price didn't touch this level yet, and let me just zoom in, seeing that price haven't touched this level yet, and there's this sort of indecision candle in between, or let me rather say after a very big bullish candle, that just shows to me that momentum towards the upside is running out a little bit, and that gives me the impression that price will be making a move to the downside pretty soon. Now, when I look at my 3-step process, and I always bring it down to the weekly, this is where I always started, I will see that price has been making higher highs and higher lows, and that to me is indicative of a uptrend. So now that I know that price is in an uptrend, I just want to get my zones so that I know where price will reject from, right? Now that I know on the weekly time frame price hasn't made its retest here, I will see how I can adapt my analysis onto the daily time frame so that I can analyze it more closely, watch it more closely, because as I'm moving to the daily time frame now, this is the last time frame where my analysis stops. 4 hour, and this is the mistake, this is one of the mistakes that I've been making this past time. 4 hours and 1 hour, that is not analysis time frames. For scalpers, for day traders, yes, maybe, but for me, I'm a swing trader. I like to enter trade and leave it, and I know this COVID time has really buggered up that plan. But for me, the daily time frame is the last time frame that I will analyze and pick out zones. So I'm gonna take it to the daily time frame now, and within here, once I'm here, you can see that this, and I'm gonna take this highs, right? You can see that over here, price hasn't reached this level yet. Price have not reached this level yet, and a false breakout was made here, and then price never returned to it again. There is a little bit of a price slowdown over here, but then price just continued upwards. So for me, I wouldn't say that is not enough, but there's just two little things here that makes me believe that when price comes here, it will actually do what I want to and move up further into this level, right? So let me just get these lines away. So now all I'm looking for, right, is a zone or an area of confluence. And when I get my Fibonacci and I put it on my most low point, my most significant low, or my last significant low rather, and I drag it out to where price seems to be retracing from now, right? And I get my zone, my golden zone, which is the 50% and the 61.8%. Please Google about that, go read about that furthermore so that you can understand the Fibonacci a little bit more. You will see that now we already know that we're expecting price to jump off the 50% and the 61.8% zone. We're already expecting it to jump off there, right? But what further gives me confidence in this zone is the fact that this level, this Fibonacci level, falls around the same place of two previous highs, and it's this high over here and this high over here. I have a little breakout, and this little price slowdown seems to be a small retest before price shot up instantly. Now, what I am looking for, seeing that price is here, what I am looking for is firstly a drop down into this level, and because I'm on the daily time frame, I know this drop down will not be happening right now, so I am looking for this retest to happen early next year or late December. So I'm expecting my drop down, and then after the drop down, let me just get this. After the drop down, I would like for price to do another bullish run up until the maximum point of the previous highs. So I think where I pointed to is a little bit too ambitious. So let me just do this and correct it, because being too ambitious in your take profits can also cost you a lot of pips. So as you can see, that's about a 5,000 pip move. And it won't happen overnight. It's not gonna happen now. This is me preparing for the new year and preparing to take, or preparing to look where I can take positions in from 2021, January 2021. And it's as clear as Euro USD is moving in an uptrend, and I should be looking for buys from this level. Now, alternatively, price can make a change and drop all the way down. So if price decides that it's not gonna follow the analysis, it's not gonna reject from this level, and price is gonna continue falling, I would expect price to drop to here. And then as it drops to this level, right, I will not be looking for buys because it already broke my Fibonacci zone and my two last highs now. So I won't be looking for buys. I would be looking though for a retrace back up into this level, to retest this level, and then as soon as price is here, I will then be looking for a further drop down, which can then make me take this short position with many target options. But for now, seeing that price is making higher highs and higher lows, I am expecting price to move up from here. Only once price breaks this level, that is when my bias towards Euro USD will change. That's it for Euro USD, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and share it with your friends who are traders so we can grow this community. And if you're new here, I welcome you to my channel. You might as well subscribe because more uploads are on their way. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss a single detail of it. So make sure you subscribe. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you guys in the next video.